Minasan konnichiwa, Rampant Sensei desu. And in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a shonen manga character. Now shonen is the Japanese word for boy, and I can give you an example of some shonen manga here. So this is Jump magazine, and you can see how the characters are drawn. So not big eyes like the shoujo characters, but kind of small, less defined, a lot of hard lines in these kind of comics. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is your manga template, and this is a handy guide for how to draw our characters. So you put your template on the table and then a white sheet of paper over the top, and the template's got some hard lines in it so it can come through pretty easily. You can even see that on the video, you just need to have a light on it. And these lines are our guide for how to draw our character. So I'll start off with a curved line for the top of the eye and a curved line for the bottom of the eye. Now what I do to one side, I have to do to the other because our faces are symmetrical. Okay, next I'll put in the pupil. So unlike the shoujo character, I'm going to do a small pupil like that. And I'll colour that in later. Now the eyebrows, I know the eyebrow line is way up there, but for the shonen characters you can drop it a bit and you can give them nice thick eyebrows. Okay. So it doesn't have to be completely symmetrical. In fact, if the eyebrows aren't symmetrical, it can make it look kind of interesting. Now, the next line here is where we put the nose, and I find hiragana ku works best. And then going down to the next line, which is here, so that can be our character's mouth. So I can give him a smile, or I can open it up like that. Now I'll do the chin next, and the chin you can probably see, I'll start from the middle of the ear and just continue that along. Okay, they can be a bit more angular, a bit more squarer than the shoujo characters. I'll use the whole ear as the outline for the ear. You can even put in details on the ear. Okay. Now the hair, you probably see they've got kind of big crazy hair, these characters. So I like to draw a lot of curvy zigzags for their hair. Alright, already starting to look like a character. Now our hair doesn't start straight on top of our head, you need to jump up for doing the hair. So I'll use this as a guide, and I'll probably start my hair around here. Okay, I'll give him a couple of licks at the back, a big fringe, okay, just doing curvy zigzags. Okay, and our character's mostly done. I just need 2 lines here. Now you can decide if you're going to give him a t-shirt or you're going to give him a shirt. That's up to you. I'll give him both. And some lines like that, and then our character's mostly done. Now you want to get some pencils and colour in the details, like so. And there we have it.